Hola estudiantes, buenos días. I will show you how to start the class. As you can see, this is the announcement page. This is my picture. If you want to click here, you're going to have a little video. Now, this is my information. Remember, you have to call me if you need me during class period. And also here you have some options to do your audio exercise. Here is technical support number. If you need, you have an error, go ahead and call this number and then select 2. We're going to start here. This is the pace chart that you will follow this semester. Okay, so here are the assignments that you need to do, and these are the weeks that you will be working. All right, now here on the top you have lessons, assessment, home page. Here is main menu that if you click you have all here your options, and here is the email. Now we're going to start with lessons. You go to lessons. Here is from 1 to 4 will be the first semester, 5 to 8 the second semester. So you go first to lesson 1. You have the introduction, course information, and then the pre-test. Now to take the pre-test, you need to go to assessments. You have here the options you see. Here's what is going to be Model 1. To go next, you can click here. And remember, to do the pre-test, you're going to go to assessment. All the assignments need to come by assessment because it's the only way that you can see your grade. So here you click in pre-assessment and you go down and you click enter the test and take it. Don't worry if you don't do very well because it's a pre-test. It's what you're going to learn in the lesson. You go back to lessons, click in Model 1, and then go 1.03, what do you know? Okay, now here on the top, you need to do these games to start playing with the words and also go to the next tab that is the grammar, so you can start learning your grammar from the words. You click in all this, and if you want, you can start taking notes. Then you practice. You go to the practice, you do the game, and here if you click, you have the text version that you will see what your answers are all about. Okay, now when you finish, you go to assessment. This is when you have to send it to the teacher. So here's your rubrics if you want to know what your grade will be with all these rubrics, and then you click in this assignment. This is what you have to complete. Now when you finish this, select the words, whatever you need to do, you save it in your computer. What you can do is copy all this, copy, and then put it in a Word document that you will save in your computer. You can have a flash drive so you save it in your flash drive if you work at school so you don't lose it. As soon as you finish with your work, you go to assessment, click in 1.03, what to write, and you can see here that you have the assessment. You can copy your work here. You copy, you put past it with your answers, or you can go down here at your file from your computer and then you put submit for grade and submit it. All the assignments needs to come by assessment to be able to grade it. Now, when you finish that one, you continue with 1.04 and move on. When you have a activity that you have to talk, you see, you don't have grammar here, but you have practice. and then you go to assessment, and 1.04 says this is not an assignment to submit for lesson. So you move on, okay? Lee tus oraciones, read your sentences, and then you go to assessment. Here is writing using writing cognates, and also you have a little quiz. All these assignments, you're going to find it here in assessment. Remember, assessment is where you send it. You see here, you have the writing assignment and you have the quiz. Now, when you do, for example, 1.06 is a sound voice, what you're going to do is go to assessment when you write your voice activities, and you're going to click here and add audio. When you add audio, you show this. You're going to put aloud, put the name 1.06 voice activity, and then you start recording. When you finish, you stop the recording, save it. You see how it's saved? And then going to go to your make a link, okay, and then you're going to put okay, and then it's going to come to your you see there is your educator voice activity. All right, so this is how, and then you go down, you put submit for grade and submit it. Okay, so this is how the course work. Then if you want to see your grade, you go to the grade book and you're going to see your grade book. Any questions, please let me know. Call me. Remember, in the home page, you have my information, have everything. If you have any question, please text me or call me. I'm very happy to help you. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.